Hi, I'm Peter Dechert, Site Superintendent with TG Basile. Today, we're at CareOne in Fort Lee, New Jersey. We're working on a parking garage restoration project. This garage has significant damage with areas of bad concrete that need to be addressed. The first step of our process is chain dragging the entire structure to identify weak spots. Once we've marked out those areas, we use chipping hammers to remove the damaged concrete, going full depth demolition and replacing with new metal decking. Then we will add new rebar and wire mesh. Then we will pour concrete using a boom pump. After that, we prepare the area for waterproofing coating, which protects the structure and extends its life. A lot of this damage happens when regular maintenance is overlooked. Salt from snow plows, wear and tear, and water infiltration contribute to spalling and concrete deterioration. That's where we come in, to restore the structure and prevent further damage. At TG Basile, we've been experts in concrete restoration for over 50 years. If you have a parking garage that needs repairs, give us a call. We'll ensure it's safe, secure, and built to last.